You've been lied to about food. For years, we've been told we needed a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and grains. But what if I told you that cutting out everything except meat could actually transform your health? Sounds crazy, right? Many individuals have difficulties with decreased daily energy, mental confusion, unyielding weight problems, and abnormal digestion. The diet producing these problems turns out to be the foods you've been instructed to consume. Since childhood, we've received the message that we need plants to live through the food pyramid system, and by being told to eat a balanced diet. The elimination of plants, along with grains and sugar from your diet, may lead to feelings of supreme power. Today, we'll share the hidden advantages of a carnivore diet, which nutritionists and food industries purposely keep from reaching your knowledge. What is the carnivore diet? Acceptance into a carnivore diet requires consuming only food derived from animals. As per the carnivore diet, you need to eat only meat, fish, eggs, and several types of dairy. That's it. No plants, no grains, no sugar. Mercifully, animal-based foods providing the only nutrition permitted on this diet, yet followers achieve extraordinary health benefits that medical professionals tend to avoid discussing. You can't describe the carnivore diet as a short-lived diet trend. Social eating patterns during human existence reveal this dietary pattern as traditional. Human history shows that successful human survival occurred through meat consumption across generations preceding agriculture and processed foods and sugar-rich diets. People in the past who relied on animal-based diets avoided the modern health problems which are now common among contemporary individuals. Think about it. If eating plants was essential, why do so many people feel better when they remove them? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into. Number 1. Explosive energy and mental clarity. A majority of people currently experience constant fatigue. The total absence of blood sugar crashes happens on the carnivore diet because it doesn't require your body to fight against plant toxins or processed foods or ingested sugars. Your body functions best when it consumes steady and clean fuel that comes from fat and protein molecules. Your brain loves it. People report superhuman focus and endless energy throughout the day. Your brain operates better using ketones that develop when your body converts fat into energy. The body uses ketone fuels instead of glucose to produce stable energy, which aborts brain fog together with faint tiredness and afternoon energy slumps. When life begins, you won't have that typical drowsy feeling after waking up. No caffeine needed, no energy drinks, just raw natural energy from your body's best fuel source. Number 2, fat loss like never before. Forget calorie counting. The consumption of only meat allows your body to naturally use fat as its energy source, so insulin stays stable. No cravings or binge eating. People achieve easy weight reduction because they don't need to restrict their food intake. Carnivore performs because carbohydrates trigger insulin release, which functions as a fat storage hormone. The low insulin levels present in carnivores act as a signal to your body that it tells to use stored fat rather than holding onto it. The diet allows you to experience total satisfaction even as you lose weight because it restricts carb consumption. Your body stays filled up for multiple hours because of protein and fat, which stops hunger cravings while also preventing overeating completely. Number 3, zero bloating, no more gut issues. Ever feel bloated after eating? People who follow the carnivore diet experience complete elimination of bloating symptoms along with the disappearance of IBS symptoms. Also, the healing for leaky gut syndrome occurs because the diet contains no anti-nutrients like lectins and oxalates that irritate the gastrointestinal tract. A big culprit is fiber. Medical professionals state that fiber helps digestion, yet many individuals discover their digestive issues improve when they reduce fiber consumption. The diet serves as the solution that has dramatically improved the quality of life for patients diagnosed with Crohn's disease and IBS, as well as acid reflux. These individuals have noticed their long-standing discomfort simply vanishes throughout a short time span of weeks. Number 4, stronger immune system. The natural pesticides in plants create immune system interferences that people on the carnivore diet frequently experience, along with their reduced colds and allergies and reversing autoimmune statuses. Your immune system finds rest because plant toxins and processed food chemicals, along with inflammatory seed oils, no longer keep it in an activated state. At this point, your body finds the opportunity to direct resources toward defensive work as well as repair tasks and operational excellence. Number 5, no more joint pain. Aching joints? Plant-based ingredients generate body tissue inflammation, which leads to self-attack, but the diet elimination stops this harmful reaction. Individuals who have arthritis along with back pain and chronic injuries record outstanding healing results after following the carnivore diet. You can experience reduced joint stiffness along with tissue healing because carnivore eating habits contain substantial amounts of collagen and omega-3 fatty acids. The ability to walk normally without medication dependence becomes possible through this solution. Number 6, better skin, hair, and nails. Acne, eczema, hair thinning. The nutrients in carnivore dieting provide quality collagen together with essential fats and vitamins, which enhance skin radiance, strengthen hair, and increase nail health beyond previous levels. Individuals with chronic skin conditions who never manage to heal regardless of their use of various creams experience total recovery when they stop eating plants. Number 7, better hormonal balance. When following the carnivore diet, the body achieves stability of testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol hormones. The body automatically restores itself after eliminating plant-based estrogens and inflammatory foods, and many men experience elevated testosterone levels that boost muscle development, body strength, and sexual drive. The menstrual cycles of women tend to improve, and they need fewer hormonal adjustments when following a carnivore diet. Debunking common myths. Now I know what you're thinking, but isn't meat bad for you? Meat causes heart disease. Research currently shows that meat doesn't lead to heart disease. The recent findings indicate that sugar, along with seed oils, function as the primary offenders instead of animal fats. You need fiber. The human gastrointestinal tract operates without needing dietary fiber. Clinical tests have shown that people actually perform better when they avoid plant consumption. What about vitamins? When it comes to meat consumption, humans obtain all necessary components for their bodies, including vitamin C. Eating only meat will make you sick. The claim that you will develop illnesses due to eating strictly meat is completely untrue. Numerous people maintain satisfactory health on a carnivore diet because it has worked well for them during extended periods of time. Red meat causes cancer. This statement misleads viewers about the link between cancer and red meat consumption. Quality grass-fed meat stands as the actual problem as opposed to processed junk food. Humans are meant to eat plants. History presents evidence that human ancestors spent their time hunting, while the plant-based diet theory conflicts with established human evolution through meat consumption. How to start the carnivore diet? Ready to try the carnivore diet? Following these steps will lead to a successful beginning. People should start their diet with high-fat meat selections, including ribeye steaks, ground beef, as well as bacon and eggs. Fat is your energy source. Drinking sufficient amounts of water alongside electrolyte hydration will help prevent the keto flu during body adaptation. Begin your transition with slow plant food reduction, since sudden dietary shifts may create challenges. Your body needs 30 days of keto adaptation so you can determine whether this eating method is suitable for you. Note down your physical reactions by tracking both your energy levels and your digestion quality and sleep patterns, along with mental clarity challenges. Switching to organ meats such as liver, heart, and kidney will intensify the outcome of your dietary regimen. consuming only entirely unprocessed animal products guarantees maximum health advantages. Once people perceive the shift, they never resume their previous eating habits. People normally notice unstoppable energy, effortless weight loss, and incredible mental clarity after using the treatment for just a few weeks. Long-term effects of the carnivore diet. The eating pattern decreases inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key aging factors. The majority of people who adopt a carnivore-based lifestyle report experiencing both external signs and internal improvements of youth appearance. Carnivore consumption leads the body to enhance its insulin sensitivity, which helps prevent type 2 diabetes and metabolic disorders. Research indicates that maintaining a diet low in carbohydrates and high in fats improves the HDL, or good cholesterol, and decreases triglyceride levels according to studies. Long-term carnivore eaters frequently experience better mood stability together with reduced anxiety, and they might also find relief from depression. Who should avoid the carnivore diet? People who have kidney problems should avoid high protein consumption due to its negative effects on their condition. Some endurance athletes need carbohydrate cycle protocols to achieve their best athletic outcomes. People who move from a high carbohydrate diet might encounter temporary keto flu symptoms, yet these symptoms will fade eventually. The need for specific dietary nutrients differs between pregnant women who breastfeed and those who don't. So, what do you think? Have you considered permanently avoiding plant consumption to be an exclusive carnivore? Share your responses with me in the comments down below. Watch this video, and if you gained valuable insights, then click the like button, subscribe, and enable notification alerts to get access to life-changing biohacking insights. This is Biohacking Insights, and I'll see you in the next one.